Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, and today I want to show you a game-changing way to verify mailing addresses using Google Maps API in Excel. If you've ever had to deal with unstructured or inaccurate address data, you know how quickly it can derail your work. That's why we created a simple, powerful Excel-based tool that lets you clean, validate, and format addresses with just a few clicks without ever leaving your spreadsheet. Whether you're working with US addresses or international ones, this Excel solution standardizes and formats them using USPS standards when applicable and connects directly to the Google Maps API for real-time address validation. You get accurate results fast. Using the tool is simple. First, grab your free Google API key. We provide a step-by-step video tutorial that walks you through the setup in under 5 minutes. Once you've pasted your address list into the Excel sheet, hit the Run button, and in seconds, every address on your list is verified and cleaned. The tool returns a neatly formatted address, along with parsed fields like street, city, state, zip code, and country. It even pulls latitude and longitude automatically if you need geographic data. What's great is that there's nothing to install. The tool runs entirely within Excel. Just download the file, open it, and you're ready to go. Whether you're managing 10 addresses or 10,000, this tool handles it with ease. We've been building Excel automation tools for over 16 years, and this one is already trusted by more than 7,500 businesses and professionals. With over 140 five-star reviews on Google, our community continues to grow, and the feedback we receive each week reminds us just how important clean data is. If you ever need help customizing the tool to fit your exact workflow or just need a hand getting started, our support lead, Vinny, is always just a call, email, or live chat away. We don't use bots, just real human support when you need it. If this sounds like what you need, just click the link in the description and download the tool today. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more Excel-based solutions coming your way soon. Happy verifying!